friends, Anita from Sightless Living, back with another video. And today we are doing an app spotlight. And I recently helped a friend out with this, and with her permission, I'm bringing it to the channel without her personal information, so I can make others aware that there's an app for that. And today's app is, terrible drum roll, Providers app. The Providers app used to be the Fresh EBT app. And what the Providers app will do is help beneficiaries of programs manage their benefits. Now, some of the benefits that the card will help you manage will be your SNAP, which is Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, EBT, which is the Electronic Benefit Transfer Program. Well, EBT and SNAP, they're one and the same as food stamps. And there is the SSI and disability, unemployment, child tax credit, WIC, which is the WIC program, women, infant, and children. And the Providers card also offers a free debit card. If you want to put it into your search bar to bring it up in your Apple or Google Play Store, it is spelled Providers. We have apples, so we know for sure it's in the Apple Store, but if someone has an Android or they have the app on Android, please mark in the comments below and let others know so they know that if they have an Android, they can get the Providers app as well. So, without further ado, we will jump into the categories to show you a little bit of what's in the new app. The friend I helped has given me permission to go through the app. So we are not going to discuss her personal information, but I will tell you the tabs. I did take notes, and I'll tell you the tabs of what you will face when you get in the app and a little bit about it. Then we will have Alex read us the description of the app, and then you can decide whether or not it's for you. Okay, the first part of the app is when you first get in there, you have to enter your programs. I believe you have to have some of the programs, or at least one, so you can sign up with the app. I know you have to put your credentials in there and have an account or something to put in there, so it will be of use to you. When you first open the app, you will land on the home page. Let me get into my notes.
Providers app categories.
And that's how I named it, the categories for the app.
Home period.
And like I mentioned just a few minutes ago, when you first get in there, you'll get on your home page. Now, what she was able to do is see her programs lined up so she could see the amount of funds she had to spend. She can manage her funds and know what she has before she steps out to the store, because no one wants to get in the store and run up a tab, get to the register, and you don't have enough money.
Ma'am, you owe me $12.32. Your tab is $32.32, and you only gave me a 20. And you're holding up the line too.
So this is a great app to know what you have available to spend. The next tab is skip to content, and when you, using a screen reader, you will know that most of the screen reader pages, they offer you to skip right down to the content, so you don't have to single finger swipe to the right and go through all kinds of stuff, and about 3 days later, no, I'm just kidding, you get to your content. But that's a quick way to get right to the nitty-gritty of the page.
Home period.
So you're on the home page.
Skip to content.
Next is your skip to content page, where you can just skip right down to the meat and potatoes of the page.
Accounts period.
Then on the accounts page, I believe that's where you can enter your account or manage your accounts, delete them, whatever you need to do.
All offers period.
Then on the offers page, they give you offers. Now, when we were looking in there, let's see, they had a wireless tablet for $10, I think a month, I'm not sure. There was something about Assurance Wireless where you can get some type of internet through them. You have to check what's available when you download the app.
Job search period.
Then they have a job search, and in that category, they had jobs listed, and they from time to time post jobs that you may be interested in, you may wish to apply for, or see if it's right for you if you have the credentials.
Get help period.
Then you can get help through the app.
Coupons period.
Then they have coupons, and on that page they also list the supermarkets. So like if I wanted to go to, I'll make up a supermarket, XYZ store, then it would say XYZ 86 coupons. Or if you had ZYP, then it will say ZYP 56 coupons. That's a good way for you to see what stores in your area have what coupons, and you can click through it and see what they have. And I guess you download it to your phone, so when you get in the store, all you have to do is show it to the register and have it scanned.
Map period.
The next is a map, and that gives you a map of all the locations that will accept your benefits. We were only interested in her seeing where she could use SNAP, WIC, and there was something else, but that slips my mind. That's all we were concerned with at the time, but you can check and see what other maps they have for you.
Recipes period.
Oh wait, I know one was for food pantries and farmers markets. So she found that out too. And then the next was,
Recipes period.
Let's see, the map.
Map period. Recipes period.
Then there's recipes. It had recipes in there that you can cook yourself or have someone cook for you or for them.
Share period.
The next is the share. That's where you can share the app or you can share whatever with other people. And that's it. So it's like 10 tabs including the home page.
Providers and not formally named fresh.
Okay, so here we go with this. And this is the little write-up about the app. I will have Alex, my voiceover screen reader, read it for us since I'm print impaired and can't read it myself. Please be patient, listen up, and see if this app will work for you so you don't have to waste your time going and search for it if you don't want to. Once again, it's called Providers, Providers. I know for sure it's in the Apple Store. I am assuming it will be in the Google Play Store because SNAP and EBT and unemployment and child tax credit, SSI and disability, those are all national programs available in every state. So I am assuming that that app should be on both platforms. And I will now let Alex read to us so we could see if we want that app. Here goes.
Note, Providers, an app formerly named Fresh EBT, is the #1 rated EBT app for checking your food stamp balance. Additionally, you can now manage other benefits and income with the Providers card, their new free debit account. Join the 5 million people who use Providers to manage their EBT, WIC, SSI, unemployment, other benefits, and debit. Providers is available in all 50 states. Manage your benefits and debit side by side. The Providers app, formerly known as the Fresh EBT app, lets you manage all your income in one easy app. EBT, WIC, child tax credit, paychecks, tax refunds, disability/SSIA, savings, and unemployment. Instantly see your EBT balances and spending history. Skip the telephone call. Get your EBT and WIC balances instantly on your phone so you always know how much you have available to spend. Stay on top of updates to your benefits. EBT and other benefits can change quickly, but the Providers' dedicated team has you covered. Providers, formerly known as Fresh EBT, shares regular updates about benefit changes in all states. Works in every state. Providers, formerly known as Fresh EBT, works with every food assistance program and EBT card in the United States. Get your balance instantly for your Quest, EBT Edge, Connect EBT, California CalFresh, Texas Lone Star, Florida and Pennsylvania Access Cards, Illinois Link, Michigan Bridge, Oregon Trail, and all other states' EBT cards. Find stores that accept EBT and WIC. EBT, also called SNAP benefits and food stamps, and WIC are accepted at many stores, farmers markets, and food pantries. Find all of the places in your area that accept EBT and WIC with the Providers' easy-to-use map. Browse money-saving and money-making offers. Save money with local discounts and coupons, and learn about full and part-time jobs in your area. Provider's Card is perfect for everyday spending. Providers, formerly known as Fresh EBT, comes with a free debit account that is a perfect pair to your EBT card. Provider's Card has no hidden fees. Provider's Card has no monthly overdraft, minimum balance, open, close, or inactivity fees. Get your paychecks up to 2 days early and eligible benefits up to 5 days early. Set up direct deposit on your Provider's Card and get your paychecks up to 2 days early. You can get eligible benefits, like disability/SSIA, up to 5 days early. Safe and secure. Your personal information is protected by best-in-class encryption and security features. Your Provider's Card debit funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Instant transaction notifications and one-tap card locking keep you in control of your spending. Providers, formerly called Fresh EBT, is the same great EBT app, now with more features, like a free debit account. Provider's Card is issued by Sutton Bank, member FDIC, pursuant to license by MasterCard International.
Okay, friends, so that is the app in a nutshell. Sounds pretty good if you have any of those programs where you can get or possibly get your benefits a little bit early. Thank you for joining me. And if you like informative app spotlight videos like this one, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you'll get a notice and you can tune in. I just popped this one up because my friend asked me. She really wanted to know if there was an app and how to use it. So I'm happy I was able to help her with that.
For information about the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, Women, Infants, and Children Program, WIC, and other programs that may be available, and learn how to apply, contact your local state offices or visit the website https://www.fns.usda.gov/programs. You can find local offices in each state's application on the USDA National Map website, https://www.fns.usda.gov/snap/state-directory. Source: Food and Nutrition Service, FNS. This information will also be included in the description box below.
That's all I have for you today. Please be sure to join me again. Have a great week. Stay safe out there. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.